2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Third time in. Third time in. 1, 2. And you do the same thing. Left, right, stop. But the stop's going to be this way. So it's going to be 1, 2. 1, 2, stop.
And then you go like.
And then from here, you just make a fist at about face level. At your stomach level, you have a flat hand. Up here. Stop moving around. You have a lot of energy? Are you tired?
No.
I mean, no sense. Do you have a lot of energy?
No.
Okay. The hand's down here. And it's simply. You guys want to hop or step? You guys want to hop, right?
Let's see.
Alright, then be on your toes and actually hop, please. This is one time I'm asking you to hop. If you offend me, don't change the steps. But I'm pretty sure you guys don't want it to. It's not, I don't care. You guys are dancing. I'll put it in wherever you guys want. But it's that you guys are willing to work to get to it.
That's good, no?
You can want a lot of things. You can want to like do 5 spins in the air, look really cool on stage. But if you do 5 spins and land on your face, you're not going to look really cool anymore, right? So you guys gotta look better than look complex. So face forward. Start from chocolate, chocolate. 1, 2, 3. Kick, kick. 1, 2, 3. Kick, kick. Turning 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. In place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still hopping. Open, close, open, close. Hands here. Hands on your hips. Let's do hops. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, hop, stop. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring up, 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 up. Tap, 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 tap. Bottom foot, tap. When I say tap, it's the bottom foot. Listen. Alright, that will be fine. Listen to this. Listen to my feet. Listen to that extra hop in there. That's what the hop is. He goes da 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 da. The first da is me bringing my foot down. The second da is just my knee in the air, that extra hop. Then the other da is my other foot coming back down. So it's basically up, down, up, hop, down, up, hop, down. So 5, 6. It's like skipping. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. What it is, guys, is when your knees up here, you pushing off your toes. Switch, push, 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 switch, push. That's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys get the switch push what I'm saying? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Stop. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, stop. Let's try that last part. 1, 2, kick, kick, kick. 1, 2, kick, kick, kick. 1, 2, turning, kick, kick, kick. Hop, 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 hop. Hop, 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 hop in place. Hop, 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 hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Got it? Raise your hand if you don't get it. Alright, 5.
I don't get it like when you switch like, from this.
Here. You asked me a question.
Yeah.
Look at me with the answer. 1, 2, kick, 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 right? All I'm doing is I'm going to turn my shoulders, my legs will automatically turn. 1, 2, kick, kick, kick. Just force your body to turn. In the middle of stepping, it'll turn. That's fine. Okay? But once your hands are turned. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Push, push, kick, kick, push, push, kick, 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 push, push, turn, kick, kick, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Turn. Open, close, open, close. For this,